In the heart of the universe, hidden within the darkest corners of space, lies a force so powerful it can bend time, swallow stars, and reshape reality itself. But what if, instead of fearing it, we could control it? Could harnessing the power of a black hole make us gods, or destroy us entirely? To understand the true potential of black holes, we first need to understand why they are the most powerful objects in the universe. A black hole forms when a massive star collapses under its own gravity, creating a singularity, a point of infinite density where the laws of physics break down. The gravity near a black hole is so intense that not even light can escape from it. Around the event horizon, matter accelerates to near the speed of light, releasing massive amounts of energy through friction and radiation. This means that black holes aren't just cosmic vacuum cleaners, they're also the most powerful energy sources in the known universe. But what if we could take that power? In 1969, physicist Roger Penrose proposed that you could extract energy from a rotating black hole through a method now known as the Penrose process. The idea is to drop an object into the black hole's ergosphere, the region outside the event horizon where space-time itself is dragged along. If the object splits in two, one part would fall into the black hole, while the other could be flung out with more energy than it started with. This means a black hole could, in theory, be used as an engine, a cosmic power plant. But what if we took it even further? The concept of a Dyson sphere involves building a massive structure around a star to capture its energy. But some scientists have speculated that an advanced Type 2 or Type 3 civilization on the Kardashev scale could build a Dyson sphere around a black hole. A black hole's radiation and Hawking radiation could provide infinite energy, far more than any star could. A black hole Dyson sphere could power an entire galaxy, or more. Interestingly, ancient myths may have hinted at the existence of black holes long before modern science. Hindu mythology speaks of Shiva, the god of destruction, whose dance creates and destroys universes, eerily similar to the cyclic nature of black holes. The Norse myth of Ragnarok describes a cosmic wolf swallowing the sun, similar to how a black hole devours light. Some African tribes believe that the universe was born from a cosmic void, just like how black holes could be linked to the birth of new universes through white holes. Could these ancient stories have been inspired by cosmic phenomena we only now understand? But maybe the most mind-bending possibility is that black holes could be natural portals to other dimensions. The concept of wormholes suggests that black holes could be shortcuts through space-time. Theoretical physics suggests that spinning black holes could create a stable Einstein-Rosen bridge, a connection between two distant parts of the universe. If we could control or stabilize a black hole, it could allow for instantaneous travel across galaxies, or even between dimensions. If black holes are nature's ultimate barriers, maybe they're also the key to ultimate freedom. Even if we could enter a black hole, could we survive? Tidal forces near the singularity would cause spaghettification, stretching an object into thin strands. But some physicists speculate that the singularity of a rotating black hole might allow matter to pass through without destruction. If so, entering a black hole could lead to an entirely new universe. Would you take the risk? If we could harness the power of a black hole, would we use it to create, or to destroy? We've only scratched the surface of the mysteries of black holes. If you want to see more deep dives into the cosmos, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. What do you think lies beyond a black hole?